in today's video I'm going to show you how I do my burger recipe. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. Alright, so these are my ingredients. I'm going to use all natural lean ground beef, and this is 2.25 pounds. I'm going to do the whole thing, and I'm going to use 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. I'm going to season it with complete seasoning. And I'm gonna oil the pan with 100% pure olive oil. It's a very simple recipe, but it tastes really good. Alright, so I'm gonna start mixing the meat and the eggs. Now we're gonna mix the eggs. And you're going to want to mix it really good. Now that the eggs are mixed, you're gonna pour it into the ground beef. Then you season it. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of the complete seasoning. And just mix it really good with your hands. My hands are already clean. Alright, so now the ground beef is mixed in with the 2 eggs and the 2 tablespoons of complete seasoning. Now you pick the size of the burgers that you want, and then just fry them in the skillet, and that's it. Alright, so I'll do that. Alright, so I want my burgers the same size, so I'm going to use an ice cream scooper. You could use a spoon or just your hands and eyeball it. The pan is already warm, so I'm going to spread the olive oil, or it doesn't stick when it's being cooked. And I'm gonna use about 2 scoops since I don't want the burgers so small. So you flatten it out as much as you want. And I do it about the size of my hand and place it gently. This is how the burgers look, and you want to leave them cooking until they're halfway cooked. You don't want them to break apart. I have it cooking on medium high. This is how much it weighed in ounces, so almost 4 ounces per burger. Alright, so they look like they're halfway cooked in the bottom, so it's time to flip.
Yeah, my mommy.
So this is how the burgers came out. They're pretty thick. And now I'm gonna show you how I like to eat my burgers. And so I'm having 2 burgers and 2 American cheese slices. And now I'm gonna fry 2 eggs and put it right on top. So I already put some olive oil, and you have to wait until it's hot. So once they're fried, I'm gonna place them right on top. And for toppings, I'm gonna add some mayonnaise. So I'm having these 2 burgers with the American cheese slice and the 2 fried eggs on top. To drink, I'm gonna have this sparkling water. It's kiwi and strawberry flavor, and it's 0 carbs. Gonna pour it here. This one is so good. Well, thank you so much for watching. That was the end of my video. Hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.